Hi, my name is Sanket. I'm a soon-to-be fourth year computer science major at UCSD, and I'm currently interning at eBay. I'm a software engineer intern, and when I came here, I was surprised I was given my whole own project. I got to work on the entire thing. I was in charge of the front end, the back end. I inherited some code, and I got a lot of help. I had an amazing mentor. I had managers that encouraged me, and honestly, in the first 2 weeks, I said a lot of, I can't do this. I instead flourished. I found out that there are a lot of things that I could do. What I learned was that even though I came in with a lot of skills, they were spread out. And at eBay, they really just brought them together. And I was able to create a product from start to finish. I'd worked on little things here and there, but it's a completely different experience. And so, it's been great. My main project was the Chrome extension that basically provided a way for people to give UI feedback. It's really cool because my alpha release was just last week, and since then I've gotten feedback like do this, change this is a really cool tool, or like this is broken. And to see that real people are actually taking interest in the work I did, it's a phenomenal experience. I came in expecting to have no impact, but in reality my tools are being used by a lot of different people. And I think that's the great thing about eBay. I get to work with people. And that's what eBay really understands. That's people. People are a big part of its business, and people are a big part of the corporate culture at eBay. And that's why I really enjoy working here. I learned how to build code that relies heavily on Ajax. I worked with Java, JSP and servlets. I worked with the Chrome API. I learned how to work with service-oriented architecture. How to build, basically how to deal with a system that you haven't built. I had to work with other teams. I had to meet managers. I had to have meetings, and basically by working with people, I feel like that's the biggest skill that I acquired here. It's that at the end of the day, you really can't get anything done without other people. It really changes the way you think. I feel like a lot of questions I came in with were very naive, and I wasn't scared to ask them. It wasn't, the environment was great, so I felt comfortable. But now I realize sometimes how the things you learn in school, that they're absolutely crucial, but how limited they can be without any experience.